In the previous lesson, we saw how to handle multiple conditions using the if-else statement. JavaScript also provides a special conditional statement designed to handle multiple cases more elegantly, the switch statement. The switch statement allows you to execute one block of code among many based on the value of an expression. It is a cleaner and more readable alternative to using multiple else-if statements. Let's analyze the example prototype calculator together. So let A is 10, let B will be 2, and let operator is plus, and the result will be 0 for now. And we want to perform different operation based on operator value. So let's use switch statement, and it will depend on operator, and then open curly brackets, and in case operator is a plus sign, so case plus, and then colon, and now we can write our code, so the result will be A plus B, and then break to end this case. And then in case operator is a minus sign, case minus, colon, and the result will be A minus B, and break to end this case. In case operator is a multiply sign, result will be A times B, and then break, and the default case will be result is not a number. The result is 12. Operator was a plus, so the line result A plus B was executed. In this example, the switch statement evaluates the expression operator. The program then compares operator to each case value. When a match is found, the corresponding block of code is executed. The break statement prevents the code from falling through to subsequent cases, and the default case is executed if none of the case values match the expression. If we change the operator to multiply sign, now the case multiply is matched and result is A times B, giving us the outcome 20. If we change the operator to one not being handled by any case, for example, division, we get the result not a number. Since the switch falls back to the default case, result is not a number. The break statement is crucial for stopping the execution at the matching case. If we remove the break statement from the first case and change the operator back to plus, so operator is now a plus, and we remove the break from the first case, we get a result of 8 instead of the expected 12. The lack of break resulted in code falling through to the next case, which is A minus B. Falling through to the next cases might be useful if used intentionally. For example, let's write code that prints wherever a day is a weekday or a weekend based on a day number. So let day, let's say, is 2, and let message is empty for now. So now let's switch a day, and then for cases 1 to 5, so case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, and case 5, and no break statement allows handling multiple cases with the same block of code here. And the message will be, it's a weekday. And then break. For case 6 and case 7, the message will be, it's the weekend, and then break, and the default message will be invalid day. And let's console log the message. So in this example, Cases 1 through 5 are grouped together to execute the same code block, indicating a weekday. And cases 6 and 7 are grouped together to indicate the weekend. The break statement is only used after the grouped cases to prevent fall-through.